So we are going to be discussing habits of successful traders. We're going to be discussing habits of successful traders. So I'm just going to give you 4 of these habits. So it's going to be a short video, and I assure you that if you take this and apply it into your trading, it will really change your results. It will really alter your trading. So without any waste of time, let us just get started with the first one. So the first one, it is analyze the market when it is inactive, meaning become active when the market is inactive. What am I talking about? I'm talking about trading sessions or the general market at large. So make sure that you spend more of your time analyzing the market when it is closed rather than spending more time analyzing it when it is open. So when it is open, what you need to be doing, it is to be altering or confirming your analysis that you did when the market was closed. So why should you analyze the market when it is closed? So this is even applicable, guys, to short-term traders or intraday traders or even scalpers. It is applicable to you because during the market close or when the session that you are trading in is not active, when you analyze there, you need to know that there will be no pressure. So pressure is removed from your mind or from your psychology. So you will not have any pressure to act. Why? Because the market will be closed, the market will be inactive, and also will be saved from fear of missing out, which is FOMO, which is the main thing that a lot of traders are suffering from. So you'll be saved from that. Why? Because there will be nothing to miss out because the market will be closed. So make sure that you spend more time checking the market or checking for opportunities when the market is closed, so that you don't struggle in the upcoming week, or let's say you're analyzing during the weekend, so that you don't struggle in the upcoming week about what decisions to take, what direction to look, or what kind of trades to take. So make sure that you spend more time. It also just open your eyes in terms of how the market behaves, because as I said, that you are not under pressure to perform, you are not under pressure to take decisions. So if you are not under pressure to take decisions, you allow the market to minister to you, or you allow the market to teach you, you allow the market to tell you what it is doing. You do not tell the market. But if you analyze when the market is playing out, you will be telling the market what it has to do, because you want to take decision and you're afraid of missing out the play which is already taking place in the market. So this is the first crucial point, guys. Make sure that you do analyze the market when it is closed. And also when it is open, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't analyze. Yes, you should analyze, but you just have to have that primary analysis, which is the analysis you did when the session was inactive or during the weekend. So the second thing, without wasting time, the second thing, it is to make sure that you do your research and your learning properly. Successful traders, they always research and they always acquire information. So when I'm talking about research, make sure you do your research. When I'm talking about research, it also applies to before taking decision, that before you buy, consider all the corners of the market. Before you sell, consider all the aspects of the market, like consider sentiment, consider volume, consider correlation, consider fundamentals. So make sure that you do your research before you take a decision. These are your finances, so you cannot just play around like taking decisions randomly like that. You need to take things serious. Even if your account is $30, but you really do need to take things serious. Like, make sure that you know even what you are doing. When we speak about support or resistance, know the meaning behind it. Don't just know it as a line where the price bounces and go up, or a line when the price bounces and goes down. Know the actual definition of it, the actual market structural meaning of it. Know what it means when price is on support. Know what it means when price is on resistance. Know what is really happening behind the bars, behind these candles that we can see. I hope that one is making sense. So do your learning and do your research. This is where motivation comes in. This is where motivation comes from. I mean, so if you do your learning, if you do your research, motivation will come. So the reason a lot of traders are feeling like the fire is going down, the motivation is going down, it is because you are no longer learning. Remember, when you started, you are motivated. Why? Because you're spending more time acquiring information, you're spending more time learning, you're spending more time exploring new things. But now you no longer do that, so that's why you are no longer motivated. So let's do some research and let's enjoy learning, guys. That's what successful traders do. The third one, the third habit, it is simple. Trade with rules. Trade with rules. This is where success comes from. This is the simplicity of trading. Just have a set of rules that before I buy, these rules should be made. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, rule number 5, and rule number 6. They should be met. Have a set of rules. That's the purpose of having a trading system, so that we do not wander around taking trades in a freestyle mode. We are not freestyling here. So make sure that you have a set of rules that for me to sell, rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 should be met before I sell. So you will be guarded. You will be controlled. You will not be taking decisions out of your mind, but you'll be taking decisions out of a set of rules. So what's the purpose of this? It is the most precious thing, order. It is for the most precious thing, order, to create order into your trading, to create order into your journey of trading. So if there is no order, then you won't be successful. For you to be successful, you need to be taking decisions based on a set of rules. You need there should be order into your trading. You don't have to be acting randomly, acting without even thinking. No, that's not how it works, guys. Make sure that you have a set of rules so that there will be order established into your trading. Let's get into the last one, which is the fourth one. Professional traders or successful traders, they don't see themselves as traders, but they see themselves as risk managers. That's what I always say. See yourself as a risk manager. Why? Because risk management, it is the key. Let me try to draw a key. Wow, I think there's a key. This looks like a key. So risk management is the key, guys. Risk management is a key. So you have discovered that someone doesn't know how to draw a key. So risk management is key, guys. Without risk management, all is useless. You can have a set of rules, but if the set of rules doesn't include the risk management, then it's void. It's useless. It won't help. But have a set of rules, then your trading will be a little bit better. Success will then come, because this is the key thing. Once you are able to manage risk, once you have a good risk reward ratio, you will know that the dollars will follow. So the problem about retail traders or losing traders, they chase the money and they forget about managing the risk. They forget about protecting what they already have in their account. So making sure that the risk management is taken care of, the dollars will just follow. So let your primary purpose not to be making money, but let your primary purpose to be risking management and protecting what you already have in your account. So that's the simple things, guys, that successful traders do, and I believe that if you do them, they will help you. So before you can just click out of this video, just give me a thumbs up. You can comment below, and you can subscribe if you're not a subscriber. So thank you for watching. We will meet next time in another video.